What's up YouTube? Chris back at it again with another vlog. What's up guys? Look, check it out. I got a new haircut. Looking fresh, looking clean, whatever. Hope everybody's having a good day. Hope everybody's having a good weekend. Currently Sunday right now, so I have some free time right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and change my oil on my car. I've been wanting to do this at home for a long time. I'm not gonna go through a whole tutorial on how to change the oil, but you know, I figured might as well vlog it, might as well upload a video, you know, have some content out there. I also want to try to fix my rear strut. If you guys previously watched my videos when we lowered the car with the lowering springs, we accidentally cross-threaded one of the bolts, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to fix that today too as well. So I just really want to get some maintenance done on this car, so it's been needing an oil change. I just didn't want to do it. I wanted to do it at home, so hopefully we can do that today and hopefully fix the rear strut. So let's get started. I actually bought an oil drain pan, and I bought this is the oil I'm going to be using, the Mobil 1 5W30, or oil filter, the whatever the Platinum Napa one was. So I wanted to get a Mobil one, but they didn't have it, so I just got this. And I got some necessities. Alright, so I got the oil change done. I'm gonna go ahead and jack up the car from behind and see if we can see if I can get that strut out. Let's do this. Alright, so the bolt I was talking about that was cross-threaded was this one right here. This bolt right here that holds up that fork for the strut. So there's the two bolts up there, and there's just this one right here. So what we had ended up doing was we just sent it and put it all the way through. So hopefully it comes out. I'm thinking it will, so it's not too much of a big deal, I believe, but hopefully it works. Alright, so I got the new nut right here, and then, or bolt. See, like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but like right there, we cross-threaded it. So these were the old struts. These were the old struts right here. And I want to put some new ones in there so that, you know, it's newer struts that came with. They came with the lowering springs that I got. The guy sent them to me. He said they were brand new, so I'm gonna use those, and wanted to take out this bolt just to be safe, because I didn't want later on down the road, if I wasn't able to get it off when I got coilovers or something to that nature. So I just wanted to take them off and let them, you know, put some new ones in there too as well. So, well, you may be wondering, well, how come you just don't put the new strut in with the new bolt? Well, I actually need to drill out this. I don't know if you guys can see in there, but it's actually stripped out too. So I'm gonna put a new thread in there. Alright, so I just finished putting on this last strut. So if you guys are ever curious about replacing your struts, it's pretty freaking easy. They made it really easy on these cars to replace those. The only thing about them is the springs is a little difficult, but if anything, you know, you get the true coilovers, the rears are like hella easy, hella easy. So underneath here you have these two bolts, or this bolt right here, and then you just have those two up there, and that's it. And then if you want to take out your springs, just take out this first and push this down and just pop these out. You're good, you're golden. Now normally I don't really do this, but since I had the space, I figured that, you know, I'd take advantage of the day. It's nice out too. It's almost 6 o'clock. I'm gonna put back the wheel on, drop it, and see how they rides. These are new shocks, like I said before. I wanted to put these on for the longest time. Since I had that other one stripped, I had to order that little rethreader, and then I had to get the actual bolt for it because I stripped the other one. So I was like, might as well just get another bolt too as well. So figured, why not? So I've had them for a while, and I'm pumped that I have these new ones on. It's just little things to the car that, you know, makes it a little bit better. So I'm just gonna put on the wheel and call it a day. Just pretty much what I'm gonna do now, and then I'm gonna back it up and let the car warm up. I'm gonna check the oil again as soon as I put this wheel back on and make sure everything's copacetic, but it should be. Everything was looking good when I did it. So yeah, I changed the oil today. I can't believe I did that by myself today. It's a little feat that I'm proud of because I haven't changed the oil on this car ever. This is my first time, like, honestly, because I'm so busy doing everything, so having the time to change my own oil is really really cool to me. Yeah, I need to go ahead and put this wheel back on. Stop talking to you guys so much. Alright, so ended up finishing putting everything back, got the cars back over here in the driveway. Changed the oil, changed the rear struts into the new ones. They're KYBs, the other ones, I don't know, I think they were the stock ones, so hopefully those work out, you know, pretty well. Hopefully they're good. If not, I'll change them back, but I'm pretty sure they're, you know, they're brand new, so it works out. And I had this little guy, you know, he just came home, yay! And now we're gonna head back in, and I'm gonna go inside and get something to eat because I'm freaking starving and so hungry. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys, you know, it's gonna be a little short video, but I felt like, you know, I should share changing my oil and doing all that stuff, you know, that easy stuff, you know. I know it's a little boring, but I felt like, you know, I can make a video out of it, so here I am. Other things are coming for the car right now. I think the next thing to do would be to get a catch can. I'm gonna order one of those pretty soon. I'm gonna get a catch can, muffler delete. I'm gonna get a muffler delete so that I can go ahead and, you know, pretty much be loud. I want to be loud. I saw this exhaust for sale online. This guy's he's local. It's a 350Z exhaust. It's an aftermarket one. I'm gonna see if it'll fit. If it won't, then, you know, whatever. But I'm thinking he only wants like $100 for it, so I'm gonna see if I can get that instead of getting a muffler delete, you know. And I have an install video, so that'll work out. But yeah, guys, I appreciate it for watching. I hope everybody has a good day, and hit that subscribe button if you don't already, and I will hit you guys with the next one. Peace.